Good morning. I'm Elder Antonio Sandifer, and this is another edition of A Moment with the Children. And today we're going to talk about mission. So suppose that we're in a classroom and that I ask your best friend to step out of the classroom. And while your friend is gone, I pass out cupcakes to everyone in the room. I have one for your friend, but because he or she is outside, they're not able to get it right now. And as you are eating your cupcake, you hope and want your friend to come in and join in with you, but your friend is not able to do that because they don't know that there's something delicious, something great, something wonderful waiting in the room for them, but they don't know. And the only way that they will know is if somebody go and tell them that there's something waiting for them, and all they have to do is come claim it. Well, in our lesson today, in Isaiah chapter 6, Isaiah the prophet was mourning the death of King Uzziah. He was a wonderful king that loved God and did everything that he did. And Isaiah was now feeling like he was lost and didn't know what to do. He felt like, I'm not able to carry on the work and tell people about God. And he had a vision. And in that vision, he saw angels crying out to God how wonderful he is. And then Isaiah heard a voice. And the voice said to him, Who would go? Who would go and tell my people the good news about who I am and to get right? And Isaiah felt like he wasn't worthy enough. He didn't feel like he knew enough. He didn't feel like he was old enough to go out and tell people about God. Well, that is what we're faced with today, even as children. Many of you all feel like you can't tell people about Jesus Christ because you don't know enough. You're not old enough. But what I love about Isaiah is he said, send me, I'll go. He said, I will take on that challenge. Even with the little bit of knowledge that I have, I would go. Because I know with this cupcake illustration, you want your best friend to enjoy that cupcake like you enjoyed it, as well as the salvation of being in the body of Jesus Christ. So our assignment, our mission is to go out and tell people that there is something great for them. There is something wonderful for them. And all they have to do is claim it. It is already theirs. It's there for them. So if you are the person that would say, send me, I would go. I would tell my friends the good news about Jesus Christ, the little bit that I do know. If that's you, I want you or your parents to email glc_support@comcast.net and say, I will go. Again, that's glc_support and say, I will go. And I will make sure that over the next week, you get your cupcake.